Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to create and add roles on your Discord servers. Let's begin. First, go to your Discord server and click on the server name on the top left corner right over here. From the drop-down menu, select Server Settings, then click on Roles on the left section. If you don't have any roles yet, the page will be empty. Just click on Create Role. Now we can name our role, for example, New Members. Choose any corresponding color, and you can tweak any additional options if you wish to over here. Next, we go to permissions. Only give permissions you want people to have. For example, if it's a member role, avoid enabling things like manage channels or manage servers. Okay. Once done, click on Save Changes. Then we go to Manage Members. This is where we add those members. For example, if it's a new or just a member role, you can click on the specific names, or we can easily look them here using their usernames. Just make sure to click Add, Close, and you're done. If you would like to create more roles, head over here, click on the plus icon, then name it, for example, moderators or admins. Choose any corresponding color, and then save changes. Remember, the order of the roles matters. Higher roles like moderators or admin should always be above lower ones like members. So I will simply click and drag this above new members, then click on Save Changes. And that's it. You've just set up your roles on your Discord servers. I hope you found this video very helpful.